할 거라면 너의 술래가 되어줄게 바로 지금이야 my boy 망설이지 말고 Give me a little touch. Let me give a bit of brush. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will do first generation makeup from the new song that just released yesterday. Welcome with me, D here. If you're new to this channel, hello. Yesterday I found that SNSD come back. Guys, this girl band is my favorite girl band since I was a long time ago. Like, you're in high school or something. I think you're in high school. Yeah, I went to their concert in Indonesia, SM Town. So all SM Entertainment group, they just released a song called Little Touch. So I'm thinking to do the makeup, and I'm a bit sad because just 5 of them left. And by the way, I'm wearing this because I just cut my finger with knife. I will count how long it will take me for this look with my phone here and this camera here. Yeah, I already took some screenshot here. I got everything I need for this look. So let's do it. My estimation is about 15 minutes, but let's make it quicker if I can. I think we can start now. You need a bit polish, I think. My nose here. I'm getting a bit more tan, so this shade probably will be for summer. I'll do the product show after this because I need to be fast though. Minutes, girl. I need to stop the time because apparently my boyfriend's memory card ran out. It's already 2 minutes 38. Start. I need blending brush. This part too pigmented. I'm done. This is the 12 minutes 43 seconds, faster than what I thought. So what should I do? I need to tone down a bit. Yeah. Sorry about that. My foundation shade, it's not my shade anymore. The Asians who easily get tan, who live in 4 seasons, need a lot of foundation shade. I'm sorry about this, but I'm gonna tone down a bit if it's too white, but the rest I like it too. So I'm gonna start again. Sorry about this, it's my first time to count the time, so I got a bit panicked. 1, 2, 3. It's like I'm giving me a bit of contour, but oh, okay, it's fine. Let's see. Might as well, but you can actually without contour, but I need to tone down a bit my shade. That's better. Okay, I'm done. Actually not done. Tone down a bit. of this. Really done this time. That's the tips too. If you want to tone down, the important thing is your forehead and your chin and this area. I like the final look, even though it's quite too white, and it's my fault. It's my foundation. I haven't bought a new one for myself. Actually, I really like how the makeup on her too, and the color option, very warm, orangey and glittery. This can be for you guys who wants to get ready faster. So I can't wait for the next song of SNSD. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to request a video or a makeup that you want me to do, like for example an actress or something that you want me to redo it, so I can teach you how they do it and to make it faster, or even if you want me to challenge me to do makeup 5 minutes but in really good result, whatever. Just if you have any thoughts in your mind, just comment it below. I will reply it, and follow my social media. You can DM me something if you want to request. I might reply it because I'm active on my Instagram. And please subscribe me, it means a lot for me. Join my family here in YouTube. I'm really trying to be more active here, so I'm so sorry if you wait so long. Thank you for you guys to watch it this long. Please comment #KD so I know you guys watch it this long and just listen while I'm talking. Yep. So I'm really excited for the next video, and hope you guys enjoy it. Bye! Bye! I love you! Ooh.